Heavy rains caused a flood in the south of Brazil, 37 people died. In places, the water level rose by 20 meters, which led to large-scale floods. Hundreds of Brazilians were forced to seek shelter from the rising flood waters. Communication failures occurred. The states of Rio Grande do Sul and Santa Catarina were the most affected. In addition, dozens of houses were damaged by hail. More than 2,000 people have been forced from their homes, after more than 600 millimeters of rain lashed the coast of Brazil's richest state. This is the highest overall indicator in the entire history of the country. The government will work to restore key infrastructure, including roads damaged by landslides. The floods in the coastal state of Sao Paulo are the latest in a series of disasters that have recently hit Brazil. Poor construction of houses, often on hillsides, tends to have tragic consequences during the country's rainy season. Sometimes nature catches us by surprise, but sometimes we also tempt nature, the president said.